Hi friends, this is Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Sunday and I am in the kitchen. I'm going to do a little baking today. I went to the Dutch farmers market on yesterday and I picked up some zucchini because I had a taste for zucchini bread. So I did a little searching and I actually ran across Laura Vitale's zucchini bread because I only wanted to make one loaf. And a lot of the other ones made 2 loaves that I found on Pinterest and on YouTube. But I did come across Laura Vitale's. Hers made 1 loaf. And so I decided to make her zucchini bread and to try it out. One of the things that I always do when I'm trying out a recipe for the first time is to actually follow the recipe exactly as it is printed. And then, you know, taste it, see if I like it, and then make adjustments as I need to. So again, this is Laura Vitale's and this is the first time I'm making it, so I am following her recipe. Okay everybody, I'm going to actually read from my phone because I actually have the ingredients up here. It says that it is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 eggs, a half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of shredded zucchini from about 1 large zucchini. My large zucchini actually made like a 1.5 cups, but I'm only using a cup per the instructions. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a half a cup of chopped walnuts. This is obviously, she says, optional, but I am going to include it in my recipe. So give me a second and I'll come back and we can start mixing all of this together. Okay, so the instructions have told me to preheat my oven to 350 degrees, which I have done. I have prepped my loaf pan by spraying it and laying parchment paper in the bottom. I'm now being told to add the sugar and the eggs, which I'm going to do real quickly because I am getting a low battery on my camera. So you're supposed to whisk this until smooth. And it actually says whisk or use a handheld mixer. So I am going to whisk. Alrighty. Okay, it looks pretty smooth to me. It says add the vanilla, which I believe was, let's see, how many? 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So let me add that real quickly. And it says add the zucchini. And the vegetable oil. Okay, let me mix this real quickly. Now all of this is supposed to be mixed up together, I guess, so that it can go in a little evenly. And I'm supposed to mix this. And then the walnuts. And I'm doing this real quickly because I actually forgot to put some of the flour around the walnuts to keep it from falling to the bottom of the pan. So I just wanted to mix these in now so that hopefully they will stay throughout the loaf. And you don't want to mix this too much to get, because the more you mix it, it will get very dense. So it's just mixed together. I'm going to add it to my loaf pan. And let me mix it up a little bit more to make sure that I got it good. And I think that's pretty good. Looks pretty smooth to me. And I'm going to pour it in here. All right, and the instructions say to bake it for 50 minutes, and that's when Okay, everyone, welcome back. Let me apologize for the abrupt stop to the last portion of the video. My battery did die, but I think the last shot was at least of me putting the batter in the loaf pan. So it has been a couple of hours since then. The loaf has finished baking. I've taken it out of the pan and it has cooled. Let me let you see a picture of it. Okay, this is what it looks like now. It's kind of sunk in the middle a little bit. I'm not sure why. But I'm going to transfer it to this cutting board so that we can cut it and see what it looks like. All right, let's see. And it actually baked for, I'm not really sure because, oh, actually looks really good and moist. It baked for, well, I actually had set the timer and then I went to pop some popcorn. I don't know what happened to the timer, but well before it was supposed to go off, I started checking it again, and I think we're okay with the timer. But it actually looks really, really moist. Very, very moist. So I'm going to taste it. Let's see. Let me see. I'm just smelling it. It smells good. Pretty good taste. I actually really like it. I think the next time I would add maybe a little more nutmeg and maybe a little more cinnamon. But the rest of it is very good. Yeah, I'll definitely make this again. This was a good choice. Laura Vitale's zucchini bread. Yeah, great job. So guys, thanks again for hanging with me today in baking this zucchini bread. I think it was a success. It's something I will make again. Please travel over to Laura Vitale's website and take a look at how her zucchini bread came out, and definitely try it for yourself. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, and subscribe to my channel. Also feel free to hit the notification bell so that you'll know when I upload new videos. If you are returning, thank you for coming back and spending a little time with me. I appreciate your time today and always, and thanks for hanging out.